Joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ranger XLT in magnetic. It has black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5-foot box. It has a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, and it's a 4x4. It also has front and back reverse sensors, as well as a backup camera. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the high mount light is there. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of the steering wheel you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. You also have your lane keeping, and you're seeing that there with the little vehicle between the dotted lines. When you start up your vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. And it'll just take a second to get in there. There we go. On the top, trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little cubby there to put items, and on your display screen when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And your media, AM, FM, as well. You have Bluetooth, and then you can go into different options as well as you touch on the screen. Volume and tuner, and you also have your hazard lights. Down below is your climate control. You have AC, as well as max AC, front and rear defrost. And down below there's 12 volts for both passenger and driver to plug in and connect, and a USB outlet in the center. You have auto stop start for less idle time, tow haul, parking sensors, and traction control. There's your 4x4, and you also have an automatic select shifter and your emergency parking brakes beside the driver. A couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up, and you've got a little bin there. You can take that out, lots of room down below. And off to the side is a glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, and you also have a sunglass holder. There's a grab handle in the body, and that just makes it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And just below the Ford badge is your backup camera. Your backup sensors are on your bumper. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the handle. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. In the door, as well as power windows and power locks. There's seating for 3 in the back, and this bench goes all the way up, and I'll just show you in the center. You have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and this flips up out of the way. And then when you want to bring the seat up, all you have to do is pull the tab at the base. There's one on either side, and just lift right up. That gives you more room on the floor, and then pull again and down it goes. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat and carpeted mats on the floor. And in the center you have a 110 and USB outlets. Up above there's hooks, handles, lighting, and in the back access to a big window that has rear defrost. Bumper, 5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, front sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.